Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you what, in my opinion, is the number one way to cut inflation or fix inflation in the United States. Hit that like button if you like this sort of content. Give you a little background. I have a master's degree in business. I've studied economics. I have an undergraduate degree in economics as well. I've studied this stuff for a long time, and in my opinion, one of the best ways, or definitely what seems like a way that makes tons of sense to fix inflation in the United States, is to cut unemployment benefits. You have to cut unemployment benefits, and maybe raise the retirement age. Those less so the retirement age, but definitely cutting unemployment benefits will help with inflation. Let me tell you why. Okay, why does it help with inflation? Is because look what unemployment benefits do. They have two consequences primarily that we think about, right? One, they pay people not to work, and two, they pay people. I guess they get people not working, and they inject money into the economy. So what is inflation? Inflation is more demand than there is supply of goods and services. So if you want to fix that supply-demand imbalance, you have to cut unemployment. That's going to increase the supply of goods and services because these people are going to have incentives to go back to work, and it's going to take the artificial injection of money out of the system. It's just that simple. That's probably what caused the inflation to begin with. Garbage in, garbage out. We had, these massive expansions of unemployment benefits. And I don't even know if people are going to talk about this. I mean, if they've ever talked about it. It's like next time you hear about something with unemployment benefits getting, whatever you want to call it, increased, just know inflation will not be far behind. Thank you guys for watching, and hit the like button if you like this sort of content. Just my 2 cents on it. Thank you.